Good morning, dear friends. Today I'll talk about space wars in science fiction. Science fiction is futuristic, and the event in science fiction may be possible, or if not, may be possible, but impossible, certainly not. As logic prevailed in science fiction, it also became rational. However, fantasy plays its part, but must have the thread of the science. It is no matter how feeble is the threat. We have faced many wars, even nuclear explosion on the earth. But in the future, wars will be more deadly and bring catastrophe on the earth and even may cause destruction to humanity. In science fiction, there are wars and warns us about the wipe out of the earth or humanity. Future wars will be space wars, and suppose aliens attack the civilization, what will happen to it? Suppose aliens take over the world, where we shall go? In the future, the machine of the wars becomes hero, or war will become the symbol of the man's dominance or aliens dominance. Sometimes robotic dominance or even clone dominance. Indian science fiction is at the center of the man. Even after aliens war plays their dominant role, the thread of the plot is woven in such a manner that man's role becomes inevitable. Without the role of the man, we can't imagine Indian science fiction. In 1953, Dr. Sampurnanand in science fiction, From the Earth to the Ursa Major, war takes place on the planet Alpha Lyrae. The warships are propelled with nuclear energy. In the war, the whole civilization of the planet Albert is destroyed. Basmak Rage, imaginary, is also employed. In Ramesh Verma's novelette Antriksh Ke Kide or The Worms of the Space, the war takes place between technocrats and politicians. 5 astronomical bodies revolve in the same orbit and make together one planet. But the 3 bodies civilization is on the one side and 2 societies are on the other side. The constant rivalry lead to the war between them. In the battle, both the culture used anti-hydrogen bombs and destroyed each other. In Kailash stories, Mrityunjay, aliens from the Quasar Sinorma threatens to attack Earth and wipe out the planet if we throw rubbish into the space. In Harish Goel science fiction Kaljay Yatra, wars were going on between the inhabitants of the double opticals. In the Leo constellation, on the planet Vishwakarma, the astronaut had to attack prehistoric people to get free Anamika. From their clutches. In his novelette Operation Mars, Galactic Empire from 16 Cygni B orders to attack Martians. But Princess Lyra Fomalart escapes from the ship and saves the planet with the help of Martian Palomas. In his novelette Aliens Se Mutbed, the crew of the aliens of the planet Gliese 586 headed towards Mars to attack Martians. But Martians are ready to defend the planet. In the wars with the aliens and regeneration, aliens from the exoplanet 1919 HP 2 lakh 9458 from 158 light years distance attacked the Earth. The warship of the aliens was so large that it seemed to cover the whole sky. In the war, the aliens were using mighty dreadnoughts, deadly green rays to vaporize everything coming in their way. To defend it, Howard uses shining defensive shields. Howard also uses bombs against aliens present in magnetic bottle. Next, the alien attack with micro beams. However, in defense, uses ultra screen in the war with the aliens. Cyborgs were also taking part. The Earthmen also employed dreaded nano weapons and robots against aliens. Ultimately, aliens succeeded in destroying the Earth. Radioactive fallout polluted the whole world and ruined humanity. Quark's pistols were also used in his novelette Chandrama Par Khoj, The Discovery on the Moon. In his novelette Hare Manav, The Green Man, lepto-quark pistols were employed. In his story Ganymede and Dinosaurs, molecular rays are used against cosmic pirates. In Rajiv Ranjan Upadhyay's novel Northern Milky Way, alien Seven attack Anahita's ship Urdhva Mugdha. Still, she had worn a thruster pack war suits to defend against the alien attack. Anahita also used a neutron gun and laser gun at Seven. It is fantastic to use a space-time destroyer in a war with the aliens. In his story Chandrama Ko Bacha Liya, the moon was saved. The telescope Bodhyan set up on the moon was disintegrated rays into nanoparticles by aliens. To protect the moon, the ISRO scientists explored the aliens in Patar, Abysmal Valley, with atom bombs. Thanks very much.